Okay, Roxanne, please introduce yourself.
Hello ma'am, good afternoon. I'm Roxanne Aligada, 39 years old. I'm a solo parent of 5 kids. My eldest son is 16 years old and the other is 13 and 10, 9, and the youngest is 4 years old.
Okay, tell me about your employment here in Hong Kong.
My work experience here is Finnish contract. I'm taking care of elderly, 3 elderly at the same time, cleaning the house, cooking, washing, gardening, and taking care of pets like turtle, 3 kwai-kwais.
Okay, do you cook?
Yes, ma'am. Chinese food, soup.
Can you tell me about cooking of Chinese food? Can you give me some?
Chinese food, ma'am. Chinese soup, chicken curry, shredded, what is called this? I don't know the name, but I cook lots of food in Chinese
cuisine.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Chinese cuisine.
How old is the elderly?
The 3 elderly is 89,
Okay.
86, and 84.
Okay. Do you have experience in taking care of baby? Or
Yes, ma'am. I have experience taking care of newborn baby in the Philippines for 5 years.
How about the children?
Children, ma'am, I am a solo parent. That's why I'm taking care of so my kids when I'm there in the Philippines.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you so much.